10 mistakes you should never make when eating apples and their fixes. Welcome back to Vital Signs. Apples may seem like the perfect snack, simple, nutritious, and delicious, but did you know that how you eat them can make or break their health benefits? In today's video, we'll uncover 10 common mistakes you should never make when eating apples and share easy fixes to help you unlock their full nutritional potential. From washing them the wrong way to missing out on key nutrients in the peel, these mistakes could be keeping you from getting the most out of this amazing fruit. Stay tuned until the end, because we'll also show you simple strategies to avoid these pitfalls and maximize the health benefits of apples. If you're ready to learn how to enjoy apples the right way, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more health tips that make a difference in your life. Let's get started. Apples. A beloved fruit with hidden risks. Apples are loved around the globe for their sweet and tangy flavors, crisp texture, and versatility. They're often considered a go-to snack or a key ingredient in many recipes. But while they seem simple and straightforward, the way you eat them can significantly impact their nutritional value, and even your health. Mistakes, from improper cleaning to poor storage, can diminish their benefits or even make them harmful. Here's a closer look at the most common mistakes people make with apples, along with practical solutions to fix them. Not washing apples properly. One of the most common mistakes is eating apples without washing them. Apples are often treated with pesticides to protect them from pests and coated with wax to make them look shiny and fresh. While these measures improve shelf life, consuming these substances over time may harm your health. To avoid this mistake, wash apples thoroughly under running water, but don't stop there. Soak them in a mixture of water and baking soda for 10 to 15 minutes to remove pesticides and wax effectively. Use a soft brush to gently scrub the surface for a thorough clean. If you're concerned about pesticide residues, choosing organic apples is a safer option. Proper washing does more than just remove visible dirt. It can also prevent harmful bacteria from contaminating your fruit. Even apples that appear clean may carry bacteria from handling or transportation, which can lead to foodborne illnesses. Taking an extra step to clean your apples thoroughly ensures you're protecting both the taste and safety of your snack. Peeling the apple. Peeling an apple might seem harmless, but it's a big mistake. The peel is packed with nutrients, including fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that are essential for your health. Removing the peel significantly reduces the apple's nutritional value, as many of its benefits are concentrated in the outer layer. Here's how to get it right. Make it a habit to eat apples with the peel. If the texture is unappealing, slice the apple into thin pieces to make it less noticeable. With proper washing, the peel is completely safe to eat and provides a wealth of health benefits, including better digestion and blood sugar control. Eating the seeds. Apple seeds contain a compound called amygdalin, which can release cyanide when broken down during digestion. While consuming a seed or two occasionally won't harm you, regularly eating the seeds or ingesting them in large quantities can be dangerous. Make it better by always removing the seeds before eating apples. Avoid biting into the core, as this is where the seeds are located. Using an apple corer makes the process quick and easy. Overeating apples. Apples are a healthy choice, but eating too many can lead to problems. They are high in natural sugars and fiber, and excessive consumption can cause digestive issues like bloating, gas, or discomfort. Eating too many apples can also add unnecessary calories to your diet. What you should do is enjoy apples in moderation. 1 to 2 apples per day is enough to reap their health benefits without overloading your system. Pair apples with other fruits and vegetables to ensure a balanced and varied diet. Ignoring mold or spoilage. Cutting off a bruised or moldy spot and eating the rest of the apple might seem like a practical solution, but it's risky. Mold can release toxins that spread deeper into the fruit than what's visible, making the apple unsafe to consume. The best way to handle this is to inspect apples carefully before eating. If you notice signs of mold, discoloration, or mushy texture, discard the fruit entirely. To avoid spoilage, store apples properly in a cool, dry place or in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. Additionally, pay attention to how apples are stored with other fruits. Apples release ethylene gas, which can cause nearby produce to ripen and spoil more quickly. Separating apples from ethylene-sensitive fruits like bananas or avocados can extend the life of your apples and reduce the risk of spoilage in your fruit basket. Proper storage habits not only preserve your apples, but also minimize food waste. Eating apples as a standalone snack. Apples are nutritious, but eating them alone might not provide sustained energy. They are primarily a source of carbohydrates, which can leave you feeling hungry soon after eating. A simple way to solve this is to pair apples with protein-rich or healthy fat-based foods. Spread almond or peanut butter on apple slices, or combine them with a handful of nuts. For a lighter option, enjoy apples with plain Greek yogurt. These combinations help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you satisfied for longer. Additionally, pairing apples with nutrient-dense foods can enhance the absorption of certain vitamins. For instance, combining apples with a source of healthy fat, like avocado or walnuts, can improve the body's ability to absorb fat-soluble nutrients such as vitamin A and antioxidants like quercetin. This makes your snack not only more filling but also nutritionally superior. Storing apples incorrectly. Storing apples at room temperature or near ethylene-sensitive fruits like bananas can cause them to ripen and spoil faster. This can lead to wasted fruit and diminished quality. You can easily fix this by storing apples in the refrigerator's crisper drawer to maintain their freshness. Separate them from other ethylene-producing fruits to slow the ripening process. If you buy apples in bulk, wrap each one in paper towels or store them in perforated bags to prolong their shelf life. Choosing the wrong variety for your needs. Not all apples are the same. Some varieties are better suited for snacking, while others excel in baking or juicing. Choosing the wrong type can result in a less enjoyable experience or poor results in recipes. To ensure this doesn't happen, learn about the strengths of different apple varieties. Sweet types like Fuji, Gala, and Honeycrisp are great for snacking. Tart options like Granny Smith are ideal for baking. Pink Lady apples strike a balance between sweet and tart, making them versatile for any use. Additionally, different apple varieties have unique nutritional profiles and textures that cater to specific dietary or culinary needs. For example, red delicious apples are rich in antioxidants but have a softer texture, making them perfect for smoothies or raw snacking. In contrast, firmer varieties like Braeburn and Jonagold retain their structure during cooking, making them ideal for pies and roasted dishes. Understanding these nuances helps you make the best choice for both taste and nutritional benefits. Not diversifying apple consumption. Sticking to one or two apple varieties can become boring and limit your exposure to the unique flavors and nutrients other types have to offer. Here's a better approach. Experiment with different apple varieties. Red Delicious offers a mild sweetness, while Braeburn has a more complex flavor. Granny Smith apples provide a tart kick, and Pink Lady apples deliver a balance of sweetness and acidity. Including a variety of apples in your diet keeps things interesting and nutritionally diverse. Ignoring apple allergies. Some individuals experience allergic reactions to raw apples, including itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. These symptoms are often linked to oral allergy syndrome, which is triggered by proteins in the fruit. To stay safe and avoid allergic reactions, if you suspect an apple allergy, consult a healthcare professional. Cooking apples neutralizes the proteins responsible for most allergic reactions, making baked apples, applesauce, or apple-based desserts safe alternatives. Thanks for staying with us this far. We appreciate your time and hope you're finding this information valuable. Now that we've covered the mistakes and how to fix them, let's explore additional tips to help you enjoy apples safely and effectively. Washing apples effectively. To ensure your apples are as clean as possible, soak them in a solution of water and baking soda. Scrub the surface gently to remove all residues, then rinse thoroughly. This method eliminates wax and pesticides, making the fruit safer to eat. Enhancing the nutritional value. Instead of eating apples plain, slice them thinly and sprinkle with cinnamon for added antioxidants. You can also add diced apples to salads or oatmeal for a nutrient-packed meal. Creative pairings for better snacks. Pair apples with cheese, yogurt, or nut butter for a balanced and satisfying snack. These combinations provide protein and healthy fats, making apples a more complete and energizing food. Storing apples long-term. Wrap individual apples in paper towels or store them in perforated bags to prevent bruising and maintain freshness. Check regularly for signs of spoilage, as one bad apple can ruin the others. Now that you know the 10 mistakes you should never make when eating apples, it's time to put this knowledge into action. By avoiding these common pitfalls and applying the simple fixes we've shared, you can fully enjoy the amazing health benefits of this versatile superfood. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and let us know in the comments which tip surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe to Vital Signs and hit the notification bell so you never miss another life-changing health tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.